Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to be discussing Bollinger Band. That is one of the indicators that will help you to be able to analyze the market and also get to be a friend to the trend, entering at the right place at the right time. But before we go on, let us go to our slide where we will have a better definition on Bollinger Band. Then from there, we will come back here and we give you some practical experiment on the Bollinger Band. Okay, so before I go to the slide, let me delete this Bollinger Band. Okay, now let's go to the slide. So we are here at the slide, and our topic is on Bollinger Band, what it is and how we can use it to navigate the market in our favor. Now, you know, there are so many process or way you can be a friend to the trend. And that is why we are introducing so many ways you can easily know the direction of the market. We have indicators. Some indicators helps you to see the strength and the weakness of the market, and some indicators helps you to view when the market is about to change, when the market is. So today on this Bollinger Band, we are going to be discussing better on it, explain it better. Don't forget to enroll into CJ FOREX Online Academy. This class is going to help you to see the market in a different dimension. Okay, so find your way, enroll into our academy. You can also get our robots. Okay, you can get our indicator price, entry alert indicator, and at the end of the day, you can get our signal, subscribe to our signal, and then be free. All those things is that if you want to make money, you spend money to make money. So let's continue. Bollinger Band is an indicator that is mostly used to measure the volatility of a market. Okay, let's say market is going up and you want to know whether the market has reached to the point where the market wants to reverse. With the help of Bollinger Band, you can use that to view. Most traders use it. Okay, so they act as support and resistance, meaning small support and resistance. So you can also use Bollinger Band because since it comprises moving average, remember our previous class on moving average, I explained better that moving average can act as support and resistance. So Bollinger Band is a comprising of moving average. So once price get to that upper or lower Bollinger Band, it bounces back. If you look at it clearly, yeah, if you look at it here, you can see that once my price come here, it bounce back, go down, it bounce. Okay, so that's why they say it acts at a mini support or and resistance. Okay, so Bollinger Band can also be used as a strategy. Many people use Bollinger Band as their own strategy to buy or sell in the forex market. So even stock market, you can use it. Okay, so a strategy that relies on a notion that price trend to tend to always return to the middle of the Bollinger Band. Okay, so there are people that use it, and I will explain how it works so that if you wish to use it as your own strategy, it's okay for you if you wish to use it. So it's okay for you. So you sell when the price hits the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, then you buy when the price reach the lower Bollinger Band. So best used in a ranging market. So one sweet thing about Bollinger Band is that you can as well use it in a ranging market, or you can use it in a trending market. A ranging market, like I have explained it better, when market is on a one side, it's not going up, it's just bouncing by like this level, not going up, not going down, not going up. And this process is when the market is on a position, a level whereby I want to either go the opposite direction or it's trying to make give some break before it continue going down or up. Okay, so now Bollinger Band squeezing. Now, most people don't know what squeezing in Bollinger Band is all about. In the Bollinger Band strategy, when it's squeezed, it is an opportunity for market to change in opposite direction. And during that process, you are advised to do what? Stay out of the market. So it is a strategy that is used to catch breakouts earlier. So once you start noticing that Bollinger Band have started squeezing itself, okay, what do? You get out and start watching out if the market will go in the other opposite direction. When the Bollinger Band swings, it means that the market is very quiet. And when they say market is very quiet, there is negotiation between the buyers and seller, and a breakout is imminent. Okay, so once a breakout occur, we can enter a trade on whatever side. So once you start noticing that market is squeezing, look at it here. Look at what I mean. The market is squeezing. Market has been coming down all this way. See, after squeezing, what's got? There is imminent that there will be a breakout. And what happened? There was a breakout. Okay, so Bollinger Band is a very simple strategy that can help you navigate the market if you master it very well. Okay, so let us go to our live chat where I will explain better in a real practical formation. Okay. Now, this is a live chart. Now, you can pick any pairs, but I choose Euro USD daily time frame. I can choose 1 hour time frame. It depends on the time frame you love trading. If you're a day trader, we have discussed about it, swing trader, position trader, intraday trader. Whatever kind of trader you are, you can still use Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band can be used in a trending market and in a ranging market. So today we are going to be using Bollinger Band on Euro USD daily time frame. Okay, so what do you do? How do you insert this Bollinger Band? These are the rules. You go to your indicator list. This is indicator list. You know, Bollinger Band is on a trend. It's not an oscillator, so it's an indicator, not oscillator. So on that trend, you will see what? Bollinger Bands. Now, Bollinger Band have its certain parameter, and you are advised not to tamper with the parameter of Bollinger Band, because the people that designed this Bollinger Band made the right decision, set it at a very good parameter. So don't tamper with any of this set period. Don't tamper with it, except you want to change the color of your Bollinger Band. Let me change my own to white. Maybe I can use white. Okay, and maybe I want to make it thicker. I can make it thicker. Okay, then I can then click OK. Now my Bollinger Band has been set. Okay, now this is Bollinger Band. I'm going to screw backward to show you what Bollinger Band does. No, you use the previous activities to see what Bollinger Band looks like. So once you see the current one, you can easily say, oh, this is what this thing wants to do now. Okay, let's go back to the initial stage. Okay, you must make sure that if you are clicking your Bollinger Band, your candle will be viewed. You can see your candle clearly. Then you can either squeeze your okay, or you can lead it like this. Okay, then okay, let me just give you a scenario. Let's start from here. I'm going to start between here, where this buy starts. Okay, before then, I don't know if it will take me. Okay, sorry, I don't know where it's from. Sorry. Okay, now this is, let's start our market here. Now let's assume that the market started buying here. Now this is how Bollinger Band work. If a market, this upper band means that it can work as support, or it work as resistance. Okay, this mini resistance moving average, okay, is an upper band. This is the upper band, this is the lower band, and this is the middle band. I can call it lip, tongue, and teeth. Okay, lip, tongue, and teeth. Lip, tongue, and teeth. Now when price crosses the tongue, okay, when price crosses the center, it will go and hit the upper band. Maybe you did not see when price was changing, okay? So let's say you did not know that price is about to see. So what after the squeeze, what happened here? Changing of trend. You know, it has been changing until you now make the last move and make a change and hit here. So with the help of Bollinger Band, what do you do? Once price have crossed this middle Bollinger Band, what do? You wash out, because you cannot just jump in and start buying immediately. You will wait for the market to do what? To touch this level, okay, this top, and start coming down. When it comes down, make the and touch this bottom, which is the lower band, and start coming up. You can come here, depending on the time frame you are using. You can come here, the previous place it bounced back, and set your entry. Since the market has already touched here, if you are using that price action entering alert indicator, that price action strategy I taught you, once you notice engulfing within this level, there is no reversal pattern here, because I can't see any valid reversal pattern here. So, but you use here, so as price is coming up, you use this previous low here as your stop loss. So price will pick you. Once price is coming up, it will break that level and keep going up, When it gets here, it goes on up again. You move up here. You can move your stop loss. This is your stop loss to this place. That's how it, until once you start noticing that market has started squeezing, if you notice the market has started squeezing, you can leave. But this is, I'm just giving you the way I trade my own Bollinger Band. But this is what Bollinger Band does. Whenever market is going up, as far as it is touching here and bouncing back, if it crosses below, it means that sellers might take over the market, because look at what happened. The market has been successfully going up until it touches here and made the last move before it started squeezing and still keep going up. So, but what you should notice is that whenever your Bollinger Band is on a squeezing level like this is the squeeze. I don't know, let me use pen. This is squeeze. Here is squeezing from here to here, started squeezing. What did you notice? The market fell down again. So with the help of Bollinger Band, as far as the market is still within, as far as the market did not get to this level, there is still buying strength. So until when the market, you start noticing that, oh, this market has even break the middle of the Bollinger Band, it bounced back again. What should come into your mind is that close your buy. You need to close your buy, because the market is on a squeezing level. And that squeezing level, remember what we discussed on our slide, there is imminent that there will be a breakout. What happened? A breakout occur. So a breakout occur, you can see the momentum of the sellers were very strong. That was why it was difficult for it to even touch the middle of this Bollinger Band. Look at it. As far as price have not touched the middle of, that means the main direction the market is going is very strong. So the first time it managed to touch was here. It touched and touched the upper side and went down and touched and went down and touched. But if that you have been selling from here to this place before you make this, you must have made a lot of profit, and the market keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. All you have to do is that as far as your stop loss is being moved, once your market make this U-turn and come down, you shift your stop loss. Maybe your stop loss was here. Maybe your stop loss was here. After the market started going down, as the market touches this level, just wait, let the market make a move like this, okay, and make another move again. Once you form another lower stop loss, you move down your stop loss from here, So yeah, why are you doing it? Because you are protecting the profit that you have already made. So from year to year, you have already cut this profit and put around, save it so that in case anything happens. So as the market keep going down, make another down this thing again. What do? You take your stop loss to this level. So what happened? The market came down. It did not touch, it came again and then knock you out. That means the total profit you have made profit from here to here, maybe from here to here is almost to 70 pips, 100 pips, 1,000 pips. You have made a lot of profit. You must not make all the profit, because once this kind of things start happening, even if the market makes some go down a little bit, there is tendency that market will reverse. Yes, because once it starts showing this kind of move, this type of move from here like this, there is tendency, look at it. You can see the market keep going down gradually, but within that process, you have made a lot of profit. If you still wish to keep moving with the Bollinger Band way of trading, it's okay. But what matters is that the more the market is going down and touching the top band and the lower band, there is tendency that anything can happen in the market. I mean, the buyers and sellers are still involved here, but the issue here is that the market is still going down. Okay, so Bollinger Band can be used in trading a ranging market. You can also use it to trade a trending market. That's one sweet thing about Bollinger Band. You can also use Bollinger Band to know if there is strength in the market. Okay, how do you know if there is strength in the market? As for, like now, I want to know if this buy, okay, I discovered that, oh, whenever the buy have not even near the middle of the Bollinger Band, that means the buyers are still strong, very, very strong. So the last time he managed to go and touch this one, it went up again. You can see it always never have that chance to touch the center Bollinger Band. Okay, so as far as it touches the center beam and go down, you should be very careful. Okay, once it my price is in an uptrend and suddenly the market pull back and touch the center moving average, the middle of the moving average, there is a sign there. It's telling you that whatever thing you are doing, any last move is going to make, be careful, market might go down, because this kind of market like this is very, very, so the best place I would advise you to leave immediately is here. I would advise you to leave the market from here, because whatever that is happening here, you don't understand. Because the market is just just ranging all through. So the best place to live in this place is here. So once the market touches the lower Bollinger Band, there is, what you should do is that you hit your stop loss should be, you should just close your trade. Because, and imagine you started from here, so you have made a lot of profit from here to this place. You have made a lot of profit. You don't need to be greedy. Okay, so Bollinger Band is another indicator that can be used as a strategy to help us to navigate the market in our favor. You can use it as a volatility measurer, that you use it to measure strength of the market. You can also use it to set to target your minute stop support and resistance. So where do you put your stop loss? If you're after squeezing and the market eventually go down, and let's say the market has been squeezing within this level and then it broke up and came down. So what do you do here? The first low that touches either here or here, if this down touch here, okay, and start going up, that place should be your stop loss. And the previous place that it pulled back, the point where it made that pullback should be your entry point. Except you see a reversal pattern. Once you notice that there is a reversal pattern like hammer, shooting star, engulfing, morning star or evening star, okay, you saw it after the move, after the retracements have ended, you can enter. But if you did not see it, you use the previous top that pulled back before the place that market started retracing. That point here should be your entry point. And as market progresses, you put your stop loss here. As market progress up, and go up again, you take your stop loss to this level. As market progress and come down again and made another thing, you take your stop loss and put here. So even if it knock you out from here to here, you have made a lot. You don't need to be greedy in this business. Why some people, they will keep washing until the market made a drastic pullback before they will leave. But if you don't want to have issue, once you follow this principle that I have laid down on how to get out of the market, you are good to go. Don't be, some people can even set their take profit, their what the ratio. Maybe some people prefer that 1:2. Once they are basing hit 1:2, maybe say they risk $100 to target $300. So once their money has gotten to 300, whether the market is still going up or not, they will lock their profits, and whatever that happens, it's not their business. So it all depends on you that is trading. So remember, strategy cannot make you a successful trader. It is how disciplined and how exposed in risk management that determine how successful. There are people that have a lot of good strategies, but yet they are still losing in the forex market. Okay, so don't forget to enroll into CJ Forex Global Academy. Buy our robot. Our robot is one of the best. Get our indicator, present in ALART indicator. For those of you who have no chance to be analyzing like I did, you just get the price. The thing will be giving you alerts and what you should do. You can also subscribe for our VPS. Okay, subscribe for our signal group where you will be getting daily signal for your trade. Wake up in the morning by 6 o'clock, you go to our paid channel, copy the signal, paste and go to your work. Before you get to your work or after job, your work, you must have made profit with our signal. So don't forget, I am Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. Have a nice day. If you have any question on how to subscribe or any question on this class, don't forget to let me know. Thank you once again.